Sarvarigo Namaskara. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and my dear children. We were supposed to have this event last week on 2nd of October, but due to unavoidable circumstances, we had to postpone it for today. Last evening, we lost yet another great leader from Bihar, founder of Loka Janashakti Party and Union Cabinet Minister Sri Ram Vilas Paswan ji. Also, you all are aware, recently we have lost Padma Bhushana Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam sir, the one who made a permanent place in the heart of millions with his melodious voice across the globe, spanning 5 decades in 16 different languages and over 40,000 songs. As a mark of respect to the departed soul, let us all observe 1 minute silence. Om Shanti. On behalf of Bunds, I would like to welcome ICC President Manikantanji, ICBF President Babu Rajanji, IBPS President Azim Abbasji, Nagesh Rao, Karnataka Sangha President Chaitali Shetty, Tulukuta Qatar, Fayaz Ahmed, Karnataka Muslim Cultural Association, Sunil De Silva, Mangalore Cricket Club, Veena Payas, Mangalore Cultural Association, Abdul Majid, South Kendra Muslim Welfare Association, Raghunath Anchan, Qatar Bilawas, Shashidhar Hebbal, Uttara Kannada Balaga, Navneet Shetty, immediate past president of Bunds Qatar, and Ravi Shetty, the founder president of Bunds Qatar. We also have with us people from other countries as well. Pradeep Shetty, Kannada Sangha, Bahrain, Mohandas Rai, Bunds Bahrain, Sarottam Shetty, President Kannada Sangha Abu Dhabi, Upendra Shetty, President Bandara Sangha Bangalore, and all other presidents and members of so many other associations in Qatar, back in India and other GCC countries. I welcome each one of you. Gandhiji always promoted Swadeshi, be it indigenous products, handicrafts, or culture. This evening, we are watching one such cultural show, which is Yakshagana based puppet show, which requires lot of patronage from all of us. Shri K.V. Ramesh, director of the troupe from Kasargod, is fighting against all the odds to keep this art alive. And we at Bunds Qatar has taken this small step to promote this art. With that note, now I request director of the troupe, Shri K.V. Ramesh, sir, to say few words about his troupe, his passion and art itself. Over to Shri Ramesh, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಬೊಂಬಾಯಾಟವನ್ನು ಲೈವ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಬಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕತಾರ್ ಇವರನ್ನು ಮೊತ್ತ ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲು ಮುತುವರ್ಜಿ ವಹಿಸಿದಂತಹ ದೀಪಕ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಂಥನ್ ಶಾನ್ಮಗ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಡವು ಈವಾಗಲೇ 3000ಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಅಧಿಕ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಭಾರತ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ 5 ಬಾರಿ ವಿದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ, ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್, ದುಬೈ, ಜೆಕೋಸ್ಲೋವಾಕಿಯಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಚೈನಾ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಕೇರಳ ಫೋಕ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲೆಗೆ ದೊರಕಿದೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಜೆಕೋಸ್ಲೋವಾಕಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ ಉತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಪಪ್ಪೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಎನ್ನುವ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಲಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಅಳಿವಿನ ಅಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಈ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಯಕ್ಷಪುತ್ಥಳಿ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಮನೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ಒಂದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಲು ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಇದರ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1000 ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಬೊಂಬೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಇರಾದೆ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತಹ ಮರ, ಜಾತಿ ಮರ, ಟೀಕ್ ವುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಮರದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಈ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳು ಸಾಧಾರಣ 600ರಿಂದ 1000 ವರ್ಷಗಳಷ್ಟು ಬಾಳಿಕೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಗೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ ಕಲೆಯು ಮುಂದಿನ ತಲೆಮಾರಿಗೆ ದಾಟಬಹುದು ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಸು ನಮ್ಮದು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಗೊಂಬೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಧಾರಣ 30,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿವರೆಗೆ ವೆಚ್ಚ ತಗಲ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕಲಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆಯು ಮುಂದಿನ ತಲೆಮಾರಿಗೆ ದಾಟಬಹುದು ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ.
ವೆರಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೈ KV ರಮೇಶ್ ಸರ್. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಗೊಂಬೆ ಆಟ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಆಗಲಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಕಲೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅವರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಆಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಚಿತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಶೋ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟರಿ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪಪೆಟ್ ಶೋ.
ಶ್ರೀ ದುರ್ಗಾಂಬಿಕೆಯ ಬಲಗೊಂಡು
ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ ಸುಪ್ರಜಾ ರಾಮ ಪೂರ್ವ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರವರ್ತತೆ ಉತ್ತಿಷ್ಠ ನರಶಾರ್ದೂಲ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಂ ದೈವಮಾನ್ಧಿಕಂ.
Known as a region of confluence of 7 languages, world's first Yakshagana Puppetry Museum has been established on the banks of the river Chandragiri in South Kasaragod. The museum has blossomed as it was dreamed by KV Ramesh, who is the director of Sri Gopalakrishna Yakshagana Bombayata Sangha. This is the house of puppets and a palace for Yakshagana marionettes. The Yakshagana Puppet Show is a special art form among the Indian theatre arts. As the name itself suggests, Yakshagana is an art form performed by the Yakshas themselves, who have been described as devas or gods in Sanskrit. Rajasthan, Maharashtra and others. Researchers are of the opinion that Yakshagana puppetry evolved from the puppet art of the folk art form about 2000 years ago. Among the very few avenues for entertainment in the earlier days, Yakshagana puppetry was a prominent avenue. The puppet show, which largely used to be performed at the temple face, used to draw people from distant towns and cities. People who used to enjoy the puppet shows, which were controlled by strings, themselves gradually started to dance like puppets by wearing the costumes just like them. This was called as Yakshagana Bailata. There are a few similarities as well as differences between Yakshagana play and puppet show. If the conversation, drums, percussion, etc. take place behind the screen in puppet show, they happen in front of the audience in Yakshagana play. Yakshagana play has more opportunities to express the emotions of the characters. Several exhibits and scenes from puppet show are not possible to enact in Yakshagana play till this day. Examples of such exhibits are Rath Yatra, horse rides, Yagna, riding the lion, eagle, cradle, burning the ashram are possible only in Yakshagana puppet shows. Both the art forms of Yakshagana play and puppet show have made a mark on the minds and souls of the people. It is claimed that world's oldest form of puppet show was in vogue in coastal Kerala and Karnataka. During the 18th and 19th century, there were more than 100 Yakshagana puppet show troupes in the undivided Dakshina Kannada.
ಸಾಧಾರಣ 100 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ 30 ತಂಡಗಳಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಸಂಶೋಧಕರು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಡ ಆರಂಭವಾದ್ದು 1981ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಗ 8 ತಂಡಗಳಿದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಕೇವಲ 2 ತಂಡಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಆಟವನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಒಂದು ತೆಂಕುತಿಟ್ಟು ಶೈಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಡ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಂಡ ಬಡಗುತಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಉಪ್ಪಿನ ಕುಂದಾಪುರದ ತಂಡ. ಹೀಗೆ 2 ತಂಡಗಳು ಈಗ ಜೀವಂತ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Such rich Yakshagana art form, which had almost reached extinction, was kept alive by Pulkuru Bacha and Kudlu Dodda Subbaya Shanbhag, who played a stellar role in reviving and nurturing the art form in the Kumble region.
ಗಂಡು ಕಲೆ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನದ ಪಿತಾಮಹನೆಂದು ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಪಾರ್ಥಸುಬ್ಬ ಕುಂಬಳೆಯವರು, ಇದೇ ಕಾಸರಗೋಡ್ನವರು. ಅವರು ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಆಯಾಮವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವರು.
Born and brought up on the land of Kanipura Sri Gopalakrishna, Parthisubba is the great person who contributed Siddha Sutras for Yakshagana art and the one who elevated and publicized the glory of Yakshagana by giving Bhagavatic, literary and scholastic touch.
ವಂದಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ರಾಮಾಯಣ, ಮಹಾಭಾರತ, ಭಾಗವತ ಇವುಗಳಿಂದ ಆಯ್ದ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಸಂಗವಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಒಂದು 10-12 ಪ್ರಸಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆವು. ಪಂಚವಟಿ, ವಾಲಿರದೆ, ಅತಿಕಾಯ ಕಾಳಗ, ಇಂದ್ರಜಿತ್ ಕಾಳಗ, ವೀರಮಣಿ ಕಾಳಗ, ವೀರಮೇಘನಾದ, ಲಂಕಾದಹನ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸುದರ್ಶನ ವಿಜಯ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 10-12 ಪ್ರಸಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆವು. ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತ ನಾವು 2 ಪ್ರಸಂಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಒಂದು ನರಕಾಸುರವಧೆ, ಗರುಡಗರ್ಭಂಗ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಮಾತೆ.
K.V. Ramesh, the son of Venkatakrishna and Girija couple, who were the descendants of Parthisubba's clan, had immense passion towards puppetry right from childhood. Due to the dedicated service of this family to the art, the troupe has performed shows all over the world. These puppets are appreciated as the most beautiful puppets in the world.
ಈವರೆಗೆ ಸಾಧಾರಣ 3000ಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನಡೆದಿದೆ.
Under the sponsor of Pakistan in the year 1998, Ramesh and his team gave their first international performance.
2004ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯುರೋಪ್ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನ ರಾಜಧಾನಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 2 ವಾರಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಗೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ ಪ್ರಾತ್ಯಕ್ಷಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 3ನೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ನಾವು ಗಲ್ಫ್ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವಾದಂಥ ದುಬೈನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾತ್ಯಕ್ಷಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಉತ್ತಮ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತವಾಗಿತ್ತು.
In the 14th International Puppet Festival held in the year 2010 at Prague, the capital of Czechoslovakia, Sri Gopalakrishna Yakshagana Bombayata Sangha won an international award as the best traditional puppet performer. Created from the wood of selected trees, traditional and scholastic methods are followed in the making of these puppets.
ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮರದಿಂದ ನಾವು ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು.
Normally, Hale, Kumbala and Saguvani or teak trees are used for making these puppets. The process of selection of these trees is filled with specialities. The main presenter goes along with the Achari or carpenter for the selection of trees, wherein the Achari examines all the available trees and selects the ones best fit for the making of puppets. The tree selected is worshipped by performing puja and watering its roots. Later, the tree is cut down. A sapling is planted next to the fellet tree. The tree is cut as required by the various facets of the puppet's body. Later, the wood is smoothened and the drawing of the face, crown, hands and legs of the puppets are etched. Once the drawings are finalized, the work of carving is started. The making of crown is of vital importance while producing the puppets. The wooden logs take various forms by the blow of the chisel. The various body parts of the puppets are assembled in a way that is conducive of making the puppets dance on stage. Once the carving reaches the final stage, painting work is started. The face, hands and legs are mostly covered by paint. Those parts of the body that are covered by cloth are left as it is. Being prepared with extreme care, the ornaments such as the Bhujakirti, Yadepadaka, Veeragase, Manisara double the beauty of the puppets. Crowns are made as per the concepts of the Pauranic characters. Large crowns are used for Deva and Rakshasa characters, while small sizes are used for the feminine characters. The special face decoration and the dazzling attire of the puppets unfurl the Pauranic world in a brilliant manner.
ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬರೆಯನ್ನು ತರ್ತೇವೆ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗೆ.
The design, preparation and making of costumes for the Yakshagana puppets is evident to the amazing skills involved that is highly specialized. Clothes of various colors are procured and stitched according to the speciality of the characters. The goddess, demons, yakshas, female and other characters have costumes of their own speciality. Yakshagana that is glorified by different types of jewelry and weapons has its own traditionally based instruments of color and decoration.
ಕೊನೆಯ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನೂರು ಕುಣಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುವಂತೆ ದಾರಗಳಿಂದ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಂಧಿಸ್ತೇವೆ.
Tying the thread is final stage of puppet production. The puppets are tied by 6 threads, wherein 2 threads tied to the head are the prominent ones. Later, 2 threads each are tied to the hands and legs, which are subsequently tied to 3 sticks of 1 foot each. One puppet is produced by 6 to 7 members of a family after working for 10 to 12 days. The Yakshagana puppets weigh around 3 to 6 kgs. The demon puppets weigh the most, while the feminine puppets weigh the least, and the rest of the puppets weigh around 4 to 5 kgs. When there are shows at distant locations, 9 artists from the team go along and make preparation for the stage. A curtain is made up to cover the presenters and background artists from the audience. It takes about 2 hours to make the stage ready, remove and assemble them. Normally, black cloth is woven around 9 iron rods that are used to prepare a rectangular stage. Colorful lighting arrangements are made to the places on the stage where the puppets dance. As the stage is getting ready, about 30 puppets that will be used for the show is kept ready.
ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಚಿತ್ರದಿಂದ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅರಿವಾಯಿತು. ಪರದೆಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂಬುದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದ ವಿಚಾರ. ಆದರೆ ಪರದೆಯ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ತಿಳಿದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಅಲೈವ್ is really appreciable. The making of puppets is not an easy process. Perhaps, I hope you all must have observed one point. Young girl was planting a sapling. I was told for every tree they are cutting, they are planting 10 saplings. That's an important message. Keeping art alive and also at the same time having concern for Mother Earth and sustainability. With that note, again I request Ramesh sir to say a few words about today's show, and then we will start. Since there are many non-Kannadigas watching this show this evening, the narration of the show will be in English, and I request everyone to cooperate.
ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಗೊಂಬೆಯಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಪೌರಾಣಿಕ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ರಾಮಾಯಣ, ಮಹಾಭಾರತ, ಭಾಗವತದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಸಂಗಗಳನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗಿನ ಈ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಗೆಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಜನಪದ ಕಲೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬಹುದು ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡೆವು. ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಮಹಾಮಾರಿಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಜಾಗೃತಿ ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಂಬುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಈ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೊರೋನಾಸುರ ಎಂಬ ಈ ಪ್ರಸಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
People's lifestyle of Bharatkhand is the reason for my failure. But my aim Bharatkhand population is very high. For our play, it is the best place. Let us go and show our strength. Let us move. Let us move.
My Highness the King of Diseases, let us do as you like.
I am happy now. I am happy. is my duty to protect my people. But this new pandemic spreads throughout the country. Day by day, the disease is hunting the people. People are dying in huge number. There is an outcry in mass group. Doctors are trying their level best. Still, situations are not coming under control. How to get control over this situation? Hey, Dhanvantari, you are the only protector. We bow in front of you. Deva, we bow in front of you. Namami Dhanvantari, Madhideva. Namami Dhanvantari, Madhideva. Jaya Jaya. Surasuri Vandita. Pada Padma. Loke Jarar Jaya Mrityu Najay. Loke Jarar Jaya Mrityu Najay. Datar Misha Vividaushadina.
I have noticed the problem faced by the world. All these are the mistake of Corona. He sent the viruses in a new form. It is more severe, cruel Corona sent these viruses to the whole world. Your Bharatkhand has also been it. It is very hard to escape from these clouds. But you will all the people of Bharatkhand go before of me. Don't worry, Raja, I will kill Corona.
Hey Lord Dhanvantari, we are happy with your words. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, your blessings.
It is the duty of you too, Rajendra. Each and every effort must be made to avoid the infection of these viruses. Avoiding the disease is the cure for it. The only basic rule for this is stay home, stay safe. Your duty is to read this information to common people as a rule. It is necessary to get out of your home. Strictly wear face mask. Maintain social distance. There should always be a gap of 2 hours between the people. Should wash hands frequently. Stop touching eyes, nose, mouth and face unnecessarily. Increase your immunity by healthy food. Regular exercise, including breathing exercise. Disease can be avoided by following these rules. Instruct your people to follow these rules. Rajendra, don't worry. I will manage him.
Be victorious, Dhanvantari. Jaya Jaya, Jaya Jaya.
Ashwini Kumar, come forward. Ashwini Kumaras. Bharatkhand has been troubled by coronas. Let's move on to face him. Where is my Vahan? people. Your game is no more here. I stand here for their protection. Healer of all diseases, Dhanvantari. You run away from here. Otherwise, I will finish your identity.
Hey Dhanvantari, one who can defeat me is not born till today. Me, the world destroyer pandemic. Aren't you afraid of me? Are you standing with Amrit Kumbh in your hand? But you will find yourself dead. You came to protect the people of Bharatkhand, but who will protect you now? No one is there. All if the ideal comes, I will kill them with you too.
Hundreds of greetings at your feet. Hey Lord, I am very kind to you. I am very kind to you.
King, it was a wicked child. It takes another birth when it dies. We should always be careful. What measure I take to prevent the disease? You deliver them as a rule. Raja, speak to your people. Stay home, stay safe. Stay home, stay safe. There lies the well-being of Bharatkhand.
Jai Jaya, Jai Jaya, Jai Jaya. Mangala Yakshakala Mangala Siddhi Vinayaka
Wow, that was a fantastic show, and it was so nice, so colorful. I mean, I didn't feel, I'm sure you all must have felt the same thing. I didn't feel like, ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. ನನಗಂತೂ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕಲಾವಿದರೇ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂತು ರಮೇಶ್ ಅವರೇ, ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಹೊಸತನ, ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸು ಕೊಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿರೋ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಡೆಯದಾಗಿ ಸಭಿಕರೇ, ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಭಾಷಣದಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಆದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಗೊಳಿಸೋದು ವಂದನಾರ್ಪಣೆಯಿಂದ. ಬನ್ಸ್ ಕತಾರ್ನ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪದ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ವಂದನಾರ್ಪಣೆನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
Good evening all once again. Coronasura, hope the asura, the demon of the coronavirus gets abolished by the spread of strong-willed positivity from all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you all have thoroughly enjoyed this spectacular and a unique show. Me, Dr. Padmashri Shetty, the Cultural Secretary of Bans Qatar, on behalf of Bans Qatar, would like to thank the team behind this unique and a very special, colorful show. Mr. K.V. Ramesh, director, and his entire team for this colorful and a very meaningful show. Thank you, Mr. K.V. Ramesh and your entire team, and we wish you and your team all the best for all your future endeavors. We would also like to thank Mr. Manthan Kumar, who helped us coordinating this event and also who helped us technically for this virtual show. Thank you, Mr. Manthan Kumar. Our special thanks to the Indian Embassy officials for taking their precious time and for being with us in this virtual show organized by Bunds Qatar. We would also like to thank the President and office bearers of all Karnataka-based associations of Qatar, and also we would like to thank the President and office bearers of all the associations from the foreign countries as well, who have joined us today for this to weave this very special event. Thank you all so much, and thank you all for your continued support. We would also like to thank our advisors of Bunds Qatar, Mr. Ravi Shetty and Mr. Namdev Shetty, for their valuable support and guidance. We would like to thank all our Bunds Qatar members for their continued support throughout this tenure from the inception of Bunds Qatar. Thank you all so much. Last but not the least, we would like to thank the audience who have joined this virtual event, a very special, spectacular event by Bunds Qatar. Thank you all so much. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Be healthy and be safe always. Thank you all so much, ladies and gentlemen, once again. Good night.
Once again, thank you everyone who watched this virtual event this evening. We will be back in a week or two with yet another virtual event. Till then, Shubhratri and good night.